All right, we're a little stupid. So basically, what just happened was that we didn't put this on.
You're right.
Fucking damn it, dude!
I put it out.
No! No! I have that shit on camera. I'm not editing this shit. So look at this. This fucking retard. This is a clip right here. This is a fucking clip and he fucking broke it. I just like, this is fucking crushed hopes and dreams right now. We can still mount it, but fuck. Oh shit. Ooh. And this, he just fucking arrived.
I just arrived.
He just arrived.
Ooh. I arrived at the wrong time.
So since that piece is broken right now, yeah, we are gonna go and get something to fix it. We need something to fix it. Good job. Now we got our shit already, so he's about to weld that. Go ahead and do it. Well, not weld, it's like JB weld plastic or whatever. Get to it. So we are close to getting the bumper on now. So basically what happened, this broke and we tried to put it back on, it didn't go on. So instead we're just gonna have it clipped on here. Got a little gap, we're not worried about that right now. Now I just gotta do this side. There's like a clip back here, way far in the back. And you gotta like, with these, and it's a little bitch to get to, but you can put it on there. After that, gonna connect that. Then I think, yeah, the headlights are gonna go on next, make sure that those work. And then we're gonna go for a test drive. Just got done mounting up the headlights, and this one is not going to get mounted because it's kind of misaligned right now, especially this hood. The hood needs to go back a little bit. I can't push this over exactly right now. So next thing is going to be tackling the battery right over here, and well, yeah, we are going to go get a new battery. We got the battery out. As you can tell, we have to unloosen like everything up here on the, I forgot what these are called.
The flipper flapper?
The flipper flappers. So now we're about to go to O'Reilly's to get a new battery. We gotta hurry up and get over there because we are not going to have enough time to drive this home.
We are not going to make it.
So we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We got this. We're gonna drive this thing home today.
We are not gonna make it.
We're gonna do it.
On this guy with no, he's zooming up, bro. He don't got no socks.
He don't have no socks.
No hood with shorts on a motorcycle. His feet look just like that.
It's raining. fix it now. All right, so right now we're fixing. I mean, we're putting the battery in. We're putting the battery in.
We're putting the battery in. We're putting the battery in.
We're putting the battery in. We're putting.
Gotta get bulbs.
We still gotta get bulbs because I forgot that while we were there. And didn't nobody remind me.
I just remember, bitch. First of all, I didn't even know y'all was getting bulbs, so
I don't care. Anyways, next thing, we should just be able to start the car, go on our test drive, and we'll take it from there.
Oh yeah,
clearly the battery works. So now we're about to. Alright, so everything works. That's good. Now we got to put the hood on.
And the windshield wipers.
Oh yeah, and the windshield wipers. Everything. I'm not recording this because you guys really can't see anything because it's like too dark.
Racist.
So we got it done. Mostly. So this is pretty much a big panel gap over here. We need to really secure this in. We need some Torx big screws. We need some Torx big screws to go into here in the bumper because it's not aligned right now, as you can't see. And you know, panel gaps up here. We gotta address a lot of issues. So right now we are actually about to go for the first test drive in this car.
Oh, that fucking squirrel hopping on.
Make sure that this thing works and that it's actually safe to drive home. At around like 4,000 RPM, I lost boost. And this shit is struggling right now. I don't know what's going So we finally made it home, and we finally drove this thing back to my house. I'm honestly shaking right now. this shit was scary to drive here, but we finally got it here. Now there's something scraping. I'm pretty sure it was the, yeah, that's torn up now. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna need another one of these. But it made it home, and now we can freely fix on this. I can freely fix on this when we need to, which we need to. So a lot of stuff still has to get done with this thing. We have a lot of tools that we need to go pick up from the other place, and yeah, well shit, we got ourselves a Focus right now. So there was no boost that was building in there, at least from what I've seen from their gauge. There was no boost, and I think that was it. That's the only thing that I noticed. So I think when I hit like 4,000 RPMs, it, like, I heard something pop off. Something popped off, and we gotta put it back on there because there's no boost anymore. So that, we were driving a little slow, but it is what it is. We're here. I didn't hear or feel anything crazy. The exhaust is loud, so I feel like there might be an exhaust leak, but I'm not sure. Or he might just have a custom exhaust.